Stock picking. It sounds simple, but in a world of market noise, hype, and uncertainty, finding winning stocks can feel impossible. That's where stock picking services come in, but not all of them are created equal. Some are worthy of every penny and some not so much. Stay tuned to find out which one may be best for you and your investing goals. Now, you don't need a stock picking service to invest in the market, but if you want expert research, time-tested strategies, and curated stock recommendations, especially if you're not ready to dive into deep analysis yourself, these services can save you time and help you invest smarter. They're not foolproof, but the best ones give you an edge. Not everyone has hours to research financial statements or read the latest earnings reports. Stock picking services provide expert recommendations, research-backed analysis, and consistent updates to help you make better investing decisions. They're especially useful if you're looking to build a long-term portfolio or if you want some guidance navigating some volatile markets. Now, let's break down the top 6 services that I've reviewed. And just a side note, I will leave a link to each platform in the description of this video, which will include the best available subscription pricing you're gonna find. All right, let's start with the OG Motley Fool Stock Advisor. Some of the key features of this include 2 new stock picks every month, access to historical picks, some huge winners like Amazon, Netflix, and Tesla, and long-term growth focused. When it comes to pricing, the regular price is $199 a year, but there are often some promotionals that will get it to you for $89 for the first year. All right, pros and cons. First, the pros. It has a proven track record of beating the S&P 500. It's easy to follow and it's pretty beginner friendly. And third, they have a transparent performance history. As far as the cons, recommendations can be growth heavy, so there's a lot of volatility there. It's not ideal for active traders or short-term gains. So all in all, it is great for long-term investors who want simple, powerful recommendations without spending hours researching. Number 2 on the list is the Motley Fool Epic Bundle. If you're a serious investor or want a broader scope, Motley Fool also offers the Epic Bundle. So what's included with the Epic Bundle? You get Stock Advisor, you get Rule Breakers, which is a more aggressive growth picks. You get 5 monthly stock recommendations. You get Everlasting Stocks, which is that Buffett style, and you get Real Estate Winners. Now, it does come at a steep price at $499 a year, but there are frequent discounts. When it comes to the pros, it covers multiple investing styles. It has great diversification of ideas. And third, there's a high quality research and analysis tool. And when it comes to the cons, there are 2. First, it's pricey for beginners, and it can feel overwhelming with so many options. So our verdict on this is that it is best for investors ready to scale up and diversify their approach while staying inside the full ecosystem. Third on the list is Alpha Picks by Seeking Alpha. Alpha Picks is Seeking Alpha's monthly premium stock pick service. It's a stock recommendation tool designed to help you build a market-beating portfolio using expert quantitative data-driven analysis. Every month you will receive 2 new portfolio additions to buy and hold. There are sell alerts when ratings are shifting, and is very transparent and has up-to-date performance. So once again, those key features include 2 high conviction picks a month. Each pick is backed by Seeking Alpha's quant rating and editor vetting, and its last feature is its focus on consistent outperformers. Alpha Picks does come in at a steep price at $499 a year, although there are promotional offers for new subscribers. You can definitely check out that link in the description of what we have for you. When it comes to the pros, it's that quantitative and editorial input. It's the solid performance record and easy to read analysis. As far as the cons, it is a newer service launched in 2022. And it has less community support than the Motley Fool. So our verdict on this is that it has a strong mix of data-driven, curated picks. It's great if you like a numbers-based approach, but want a human touch. Fourth on our list is Moby. Moby is a rising star in the stock and crypto space. Some of the key features include a daily stock and crypto research, weekly stock picks. It includes deep dives and audio breakdowns, and finally, access to macroeconomic insights. When it comes to pricing, it is $8.33 a month if you choose their monthly subscription, which comes in at just under $100 for the year. As far as pros, it's very engaging, has digestible content. It covers both stocks and crypto, and you're going to get a great mobile experience with Moby. When it comes to the cons, it's less proven track record than Motley Fool. it may be too casual for your serious investors. So our verdict on this is that it is perfect for younger investors or those dipping into both stocks and crypto who want daily content and fun explanations. Fifth on our list is Seeking Alpha Premium. Now, if you're the type that loves to dig in, Seeking Alpha Premium might be your best tool. It's a comprehensive platform for researching stocks and ETFs, giving you access to a community of knowledgeable investors, proprietary quant ratings that have a history of beating the market, and cutting-edge portfolio management tools. Some of the key features include access to all contributor articles, you get quant ratings on every stock, you get author performance metrics, earnings, calls, transcripts, and dividend ratings round out these key features. As far as pricing, it's $299 a year, which is often discounted for the first year. As far as the pros that we found, it has tons of data and expert insight, transparency on contributors' performance, and it is excellent for DIY investors. When it comes to cons, there's no specific buy this now stock picks, and it can feel a little overwhelming for beginners. The final verdict on this one is that it is best for self-directed investors who want to read in-depth analysis and make their own picks with guidance. Sixth on our list is Morningstar Premium. So this is last but not least, Morningstar Premium, one of the most respected names in investing. Its key features include in-depth research and ratings on stocks, funds, and ETFs. It has star ratings and analyst fair value estimates, and their portfolio X-ray tools. Its price comes in at $249 a year when paid annually. Some of the pros include the top-tier research and data that you'll find. It's excellent for mutual fund and ETF investors. And it has a strong track record and credibility. As far as cons, it's not focused on individual stock picks. It's expensive for casual investors. Our verdict on this is that it's best for portfolio builders and long-term planners who want to evaluate everything they invest in, not just individual stocks. So, what's the best stock picking service for you? If you're a beginner, Motley Fool Stock Advisor is hard to beat. If you want deep research, go with Seeking Alpha Premium or Morningstar. If you want daily content and crypto too, Moby has you covered. And if you're ready to go all in on multiple investing strategies, the Motley Fool Epic Bundle is a solid deal. At the end of the day, no service can guarantee results, but the right one can help you save time, build confidence, and make smarter investing decisions. Let me know in the comments, have you tried any of these services? What's worked for you? As I've said, I have included links to each of these services in the description below, and those links will help you get the best possible deal if one of them stands out to you over others. If you want more honest reviews, beginner-friendly investing tips, and smart money advice, make sure to subscribe to The Modest Wallet and smash that like button while you're at it. Thanks for watching, and keep investing modestly but powerfully. I'll see you in the next video.